The FRA400C AF Kit can be used with most electronic focusers. The FRA400C AF Kit includes 4 different lengths MXL synchronous belt, 20-tooth MXL synchronous pulley, 2mm Allen wrench. The FRA400C tube ring features M4 and M6 threaded holes on its top surface for attaching the FRA400C AF Kit. Attach the focuser bracket to the top surface, then adjust its position to align it close to the coarse adjustment ring. Mount the electronic focuser and pre-tighten the screws. Select the appropriate synchronous belt based on your electronic focuser's size, then install both the synchronous belt and synchronous pulley. Tighten the locking screws on the synchronous pulley. Adjust the synchronous belt so that it is perpendicular to the coarse adjustment ring. Lift the electric focuser upward to tension the synchronous belt, then lock the screws.